Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometrics in Frollo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Frollo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now on the screen, you can see options like dashboard and portfolio. You have to stay on dashboard. Then on the top right corner, you're gonna find settings option. Tap on it. Now under settings, you're gonna see a few categories like account, help and legal, app settings, and account ownership. Tap on security, which is under app settings. Then type in your passcode that you set previously. Now you're gonna see three options that change passcode, enable Face ID, and require passcode. Go ahead, turn on enable Face ID, or there might be another biometrics option. It's according to your phone. Confirm the password. Then there you go. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable biometrics in Frollo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, just give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.